Ever pondered the necessity of PLC, HMI, and SCADA training? How it could be the crucial stepping stone to elevate your career or business in the automation industry? Welcome to the world of comprehensive, hands-on training that has been transforming careers and businesses since 2012. Our training is renowned for its focus on practical application, with an impressive 80% of the course dedicated to hands-on training, while the remaining 20% delves into the essential theory. Specializing in 8 different brands, namely Siemens, Mitsubishi, Omron, Allen Bradley, Keyence, Beckhoff, Schneider, and GE Fanuc, we cover a broad spectrum of the automation industry. Scene script. Hear from some of our past participants. Since the training, I've been able to troubleshoot problems in my factory much faster, says an engineer from a leading manufacturing firm. Another participant, a freelance automation consultant, shares, "The hands-on training has been invaluable. I'm now more confident in taking on larger projects." We offer 2 levels of training, a 5-day course that takes you from basic to advanced, or a 3-day course for those looking to grasp the basics and intermediate levels. We are also open to customizing the training for longer durations based on your needs. For the training, we provide a training manual, a laptop with the necessary software installed, and PLC equipment kits. You are also welcome to bring your personal laptop, and we would assist in installing the required software. Upon completion, every participant receives a certificate, and we extend our support beyond the training. We offer ongoing consultation free of charge. Whether it's a remote online session or a simple WhatsApp conversation, we are here for your project needs and troubleshooting queries. Moreover, we provide PLC and HMI troubleshooting services within a 100-kilometer radius from our office in Johor, Bahru. We also undertake industrial projects, further enhancing our real-world experience and industry knowledge. Need specific PLC, HMI, or other industrial parts? We're here to help, offering search and supply services to cater to your specific needs. In summary, we offer a comprehensive, hands-on approach to PLC, HMI, and SCADA training, covering 8 different brands. We provide ongoing support post-training and also offer troubleshooting services and supply industrial parts. So, if you are looking to upskill, troubleshoot, or need industrial parts, you know where to turn. We are here, committed to your growth and success in the automation industry.